Want to add custom images to your Roblox game but don't know how? Most beginners upload them to the wrong place and waste hours trying to find them. Watch this entire video to save time and get it right the first time. First, launch your web browser and sign in to your account at the official Roblox website. Click when you're already on your way. Click the Create option in the top header to go to the Roblox Creator. Keep watching. The next step is the one most people miss. In the left-hand sidebar of the Creator Hub, find and click on Creations. This is your central hub for everything you own. Pay close attention here. At the top of the page, select the tab labeled Development Items. Then under that, choose Decals. Standard images are uploaded as decals for use in your games, not as textures or meshes. This common mistake confuses many new creators. Click the Upload Asset button. Select your image file: JPG, PNG, TGA, or BMP up to 20 megabytes. Give it a clear name and description, then click Upload at the bottom. A good description helps you find the image later when your library gets huge. Then you've just added your first decal. If this helped, hit subscribe and check the next video to learn how to use it inside your actual game.